Hi. I am bored. Like, I just been looking up stuff about hair color because I want to color my hair. This part, this section. Red or burgundy. I don't know which one yet, but one of them. Um, sorry about that. But, I'm bored. And this is my first time making a video on my laptop. Yeah. Um, my rings. Bling bling for you. I got a lot of bling bling actually. I got this, bam. I got this, bam. I got this, bam. I got this, oops, bam. Oh wait, it's messed up. Okay, bam. Hold on, wait. Ooh, look at that bling right there. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Anyway, since I last put a um, well, I got my tongue pierced. Yeah, I changed it to a yeah, I changed it. I changed it to a acrylic balls tongue ring, but them balls was too heavy and they hurt and they was just sinking in my tongue. So I took it out and this morning I put a metal one in. I ordered some from piercefish.com and I got two acrylic balls tongue rings. I got two tongue rings with acrylic balls on them, and I got one tongue ring with metal balls on them. And I should have got like five with metal balls on them, cause them first of all, the acrylic ones are too hard to twist on there, and then it just was sinking in or something. I don't know. But look at this. Hey, it's 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 regular silver, but then on the top it's a pink diamond. I don't know if you can see the pink diamond or not. Why was my hand still like this? But I don't know if you can see the pink diamond. But look, um, I think I want to start making videos, but I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. Like, if I want to talk about hair, if I want to talk about piercings, if I want to just what am I gonna talk about? Nobody gonna watch if I ain't talking about nothing. Like right now, I'm not talking about nothing. Who wanna watch me talk about nothing? Hmm? Hmm? Hmm. I'm ready to go to college. Maybe that's what I can make videos about. I can make college videos about my college experience. I start college. I'm going to University of West Georgia. Move-in date is August 20th. Classes start August 22nd. Do y'all know people that actually cry like that? Like, um, but yeah, maybe I could do um videos about that. Bye bye. Bye bye. Wait. Bye bye. Shake it like you trying to get paid. Y'all probably don't know that song.